what's up? Um, yeah, Stephen Johnson. I'm going into my I think it's month four trading now. It's been three full months in 2 days with Timothy Sykes, and I had my first profitable month last month. So as promised, I got a nice malt whiskey as a reward. I'll show you the rewards plan again in a minute. But I want to keep this video under 10 minutes. Quick thing. After 3 months with Timothy Sykes, I actually cancelled my subscription. This just it runs out in like 2 days time, and it's for no reason. I feel like I've learned a lot from him. I think his lessons are kind of invaluable, especially in terms of buying the breakouts, and looking for the low float morning spikes. And his video commentary is fun. I recommend anyone kind of goes with him. It's just for the next month. I'm really going to be focusing on analyzing chart patterns and really understanding the Nasdaq to a better detail. And that means like kind of analyzing a lot of charts and creating a few different Excels. And I want to focus on that. And I also want to sign up to Investors Underground and kind of learn Nate's style of trading, because it's something that just appeals to me. Today I actually just won my first trade, kind of using something I saw in one of Nate's kind of DVDs, which is waiting for the morning panic on a stock that's opening quite strong, and then capitalize on it. So I was really pleased that I picked that up, because this month I've been trying a few different things and it's caused losses. But that's okay. I mean, previously I was just buying the morning spike or buying the breakout, and now I'm trying to do a few more technical things, and with that comes losses, and you'll see that in the chart. But let's dive straight in. So this is the month so far. August is $286 down in the first 2 weeks. I'm currently 25% successful in trades, which is not as high as the previous month, but I have been trying some new things. However, what I'm really going to focus on in the next 2 weeks is locking in as many profitable trades as possible. Try and pull this back. I'm still hoping for a second green month. I think I can make this $286 back. I've really been experimenting and being a bit loose. Please do watch for the end of the month. I hope I pull it back, and I hope you guys see it as well. Just because it shows you that when you're being meticulous, when you plan well, and when you don't take risks, you are in control of things. And I believe that I'm in control of things. I let myself get loose, and it was kind of deliberate to learn new things. But nevertheless, goal for this month is just to be profitable in 40% of trades. That's for September, because I actually managed to do August in 1 month early. And then the account size of 2,500. Right now it's 1,200. I'd like to get it to 1,415 by the close of the month with a few $100 profit. And then after that, I'm more than happy to put an extra 1,000 in to make sure that I hit that goal. And ultimately, I know that I'll not build the account size up organically, but I am happy to make the sacrifices as long as I hit that profit rate of 40%, and then next month the profit rate of 45%. Then I'm happy to top it up a little bit here and there. But as you can see in November and December, the tasks get a little bit harder, and I need to be more reliant on generating actual profits of $300. And so by November, I have to be a 100% profitable trader. Let me just show you. It's got no real prior history. Wow, I mean, apart from it's kind of a form I run a real spike, yeah. Then not a lot. It's kind of pushed away a few times. But it had a real move, yeah. And then it kind of consolidated. I bought it in the 95, anticipating a break on 1. So I bought it in this consolidation here. And then it tested 1. It kind of broke 1, went to 101. And then I was hoping for it to get kind of 1.5, 110, make like kind of 20%. Didn't break, so I kind of held it here to see if it would do anything else, and it didn't. So I just sold at 93. So in for 95, out for 93. Got charged maybe like $30 for commissions, which sucks because it's under $1 stock. But I mean, that's it. It could have easily, I think, it could have possibly ran to like kind of $1.05, $1.06. You never know. And it would have been kind of a $200 about maybe $150, $200 profit, $150, but I'm out for a small loss, no big deal. Okay, so this is check. Didn't have a lot, and then it's just really spiked. Uh, if you look at the last maybe 6 months, yeah, I mean it's kind of high. It kind of tops at 350. Um, but I was looking at it. I mean it's spiked before, it reached 350. I thought we could do it again with it being Friday. So kind of spiked, held kind of mid range through its highs, and then it closed at like 220, and it was up to 260, 270 pre-market, biggest pre-market riser of the day. So I was thinking, this looks very good. It's got potential. Um, and then when it opened right here at 9:30, I got in for 320. It looked like it was going to spike straight off the bat. There was a lot of volume straight away, and then everyone who kind of bought it for the gap up, I think, just sold straight away. Price crashed to 280, and I just got out. And it's sad because I lost about $180, and if I'd sold now, I would have lost about $90. But it was just too scary. And I mean, when you're looking at kind of a 5-day chart, and it's up from 120, and it's got the biggest red candle of the day so far. You start thinking this could go right back down to 2, and I'm gonna lose my whole account. It didn't, kind of held, but yeah, one of the biggest losses I've had, just pretty much the biggest loss I've had. And it's a good lesson learned. I mean, really wait for confirmed momentum before you try and buy a morning spiker. Yeah, this is JSV. It's another kind of a $50, $60 loss or whatever, $50. Um, Basically, looks like a pump. It's really built momentum, 4 green days in a row. Thought it should continue going up. And I saw that it kind of spiked, and then it dropped down here into the kind of the 290s level. I was like, it's consolidating. It should consolidate and hopefully move back up again, because it's been performing well in the last few days. So hopefully it's had a little blip, and then it's going to grind back up. But yeah, when it kind of dropped down here, I just thought, actually, do you know what it is? It's really kind of fallen again, and so I kind of just got out. I got out within with like a $30-$40 loss for $1,000. So I was down like maybe 3% or whatever. Just the way it is. I mean, right now, I mean, if you look previous days, I mean, it's really performing. But I mean, will it continue? I mean, we really don't know. It's too difficult to say. Yeah, so this is the first win. REN, very small profit. But basically, it's been uptrending, uptrending, uptrending the last few days. And yeah, I mean, I've just got out. I probably shouldn't have, because I mean, it went from 11 to 14, and now it's probably going to go from 14 to 17, and I'm not in it. I should have stayed in it, but I was just so desperate. I mean, my target for this month is 40% profitable trades, and I was just so desperate to hit that 40% target, because I really want to hit September's target a month early. But anyway, I mean, yeah, I saw it kind of crash out and bottom here, and then literally this green candle, which I'm kind of pointing to, I bought in here, just thinking, look, it looks like it's about to bottom. It looks like it's getting a bit aggressive. Yeah, and I was in the kind of 1360, 1370s area, and as soon as I bought in, it just ramped up. I was pretty lucky. I was thinking about getting out at 1520, but I held it for a bit. And I saw it drop, and I was like, just take the small profit. Again, look, I came off the back of 3 losing trades. I just, even for confidence, just to have one winning trade, just to feel kind of better about myself. Just kind of looking at the level too. I mean, it looks pretty. Okay, guys, that's it. Yeah, and it was wrapped up in under 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. And like you can see, I've so far I'm losing this month. And if you want some advice from a trader who loses, I'm on Snapchat and Instagram, and I'm starting a website, StephenJohnsonStocks.com. So I mean, you can contact me or follow me or email me at any time, and I can give you some of my advice, that will help you lose your money too. Um, and yeah, and I mean, I'm not quite going to be Timothy Sykes's third or fourth millionaire, but I mean, maybe I'll be the first one to be the first one to lose a million, and that would be something quite different. So I'm kind of hoping that yeah, that I could be the first minus millionaire. I mean, who knows? But no, I'm just messing around. It's early days. I hope to pull it back. Let's hope for a second profitable month. Thanks for following, guys. I know it's only kind of 150, 200 views right now, but I really appreciate every one of them. Just the fact that there's someone actually out there who gives a shit who's watching this makes it all worthwhile. So thanks, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.